Look no further than the 2020 Dodge Challenger. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Challenger thrills with raw power and intimidates with a sinister stance, while its fine craftsmanship, comfort, safety, and efficiency make it a desirable choice for enthusiasts. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated mirrors, remote engine start, keyless start, fog lamps, backup camera, V6 cylinder engine, power driver seat, aluminum wheels, blind spot monitor. Don't miss the chance to have the powerful ride you really want. Get into the Challenger and drive.